Unboxing includes a quick installation guide, 1 parallel cable, 3 expansion screws, and 2 battery cable crimping terminals. Draw points on the wall of the machine. Use an impact drill to drill holes at the 3 points marked. Insert 2 expansion screws into the top 2 holes and unscrew the nuts and washers. Insert the expansion tube into the hole below. Hang up the machine. Drive the screw into the expansion tube below. Tighten the 2 expansion nuts above. Installation on the wall completed. Next, proceed with machine wiring. Keep the photovoltaic, load, mains, and battery circuit breakers disconnected. Connect photovoltaic cables, load cables, utility cables, and battery cables in sequence. Attention, the positive and negative poles of the cable, as well as the live and neutral wires, should be connected to the corresponding holes of the machine, and it is forbidden to make mistakes or omissions. Connect the battery communication cable to the machine's CAN communication port. Turn on the battery power and circuit breaker. Communication successful. Battery icon lights up. Click on Settings, Battery type, select Lithium battery. Then turn on the photovoltaic, mains, and load circuit breakers in sequence, and the load runs normally.